Welcome to the tutorial on tracking and comparing your portfolio on MoneyFlock. In this video, we'll walk you through how to track the performance of your own portfolio and compare it with the portfolios of top traders on the platform. Let's get started. First, from your dashboard screen, locate and open your user profile. Once you're in the profile, scroll down slightly until you see the Portfolio tab. Click on the Portfolio tab to access your portfolio information. Here, you'll find several key sections. Portfolio visibility. This section controls whether your portfolio is visible to others. Adjust this as per your preference. Holdings. You'll find a table displaying your holdings. This includes key details like broker, the broker managing your asset. Symbol, the asset's symbol. Quantity, the number of shares or units. Price, the current price of the asset. LTP, the most recent price of the asset. Profit/loss, your current profit or loss from the asset. The percentage change in your asset's price. Next, let's take a look at the pie charts. These charts break down your portfolio into different categories. Investments across brokers shows the distribution of your investments among brokers. Investments across industries visualizes how your investments are spread across different industries. Investments across assets displays the allocation of your assets across different types of assets. Now, moving on to the summary section, here you'll find detailed metrics that help you understand your trading performance. Trades, the total number of trades you've made. Long one, the number of long trades that were successful. Average trade length, the average duration of each trade. Profit factor, this is a measure of the profitability of your portfolio. Standard deviation, a measure of the volatility of your trades. Profitability, the overall profitability of your portfolio. Short one, the number of short trades that were successful. Average win and loss, shows the average amount won or lost per trade. Best trade, the most profitable trade in your portfolio. Worst trade, the least profitable trade in your portfolio. You will see the Fetch Latest Orders button. Click on this button to load the most recent orders in your portfolio. Once you click the button, your orders table will be populated with the most recent trades across your brokers. Now, let's move on to the portfolio comparison feature. To compare your portfolio with other traders, first, access the subscriptions options from your dashboard. Here, you will see a list of portfolios to which you are subscribed. Next, press the Compare button next to any of the portfolios you'd like to compare with. This will add the selected portfolio to the comparison section. To add your own portfolio into the comparison, simply press the Include Me button. This will include your portfolio alongside the other portfolios you are comparing. Once all portfolios are added, press the Compare button to view the comparison details. The comparison screen will display key metrics regarding return percentage such as trades, profitability, long one, average trade length, average win and loss, best and worst trades. That's all for today. Start tracking and comparing portfolios to better understand your portfolio's performance and make smarter trading decisions. Thank you for watching.